Hey, what's up guys? It's a Minecraft YouTuber here. Today I have a very special video for you guys. This is a tour of my room. Over here we have the shelf where I put my shelfie things. It's black, you can't see it very well. This in the corner here. Here's my blue chair. I sit in it sometimes and play my video games. Here are my cool friends. Those of them, they're playing some video games right now. I put my phone's right there, and my cup that I put some water in earlier, I drank it. Here's my Sony PlayStation. There's a picture of Lou Albano on it. It's a sticker my good friend mailed it to me. Here's my closet. It's got some cool closety things. I was supposed to be a light, but the owners took it out because they're really cool. Here's my fan, and there I am. Hello. Here's my fan. It keeps me all nice and cool. Here's my Nintendo Swatch, where I play my cool video, my other cool. There it is. We got some. It's not focusing. Who cares? You get the idea. Here's my Lappy Toppy. As you can see, it's not on. Here's a trash bag with some clothes and a pillow. Here's some more trash bags and a shirt. And here's my bed until I get my bed frame in here because it's too big. Can't get it upstairs. We gotta take it apart. Here's my alarm clock. Ugh. It's 10:29 at night. I want to go to bed. Kill me.